Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. We have a 14-inch 13x6 lace frontal wig to talk about. Of course, this wig is from Amazon and the hair vendor's name is Julia Hair. They are also known as Ali Julia Hair. You guys know I am excited because this wig is a 13x6 and it is here. So let's open this package. Look at this box presentation. Wow, I'm loving it. So on the front of the box, it has the company's logo, and then on the back, it tells you how to care for the hair. So this will be useful. Let's go ahead and see what's in this box. So there are goodies in the box. Wow, look at this. So they have a legit postcard in this box. So on the front of the card, it actually tells you who Julia Hair is. So it has a little paragraph about that company. So that's different. And on the back, it has hair care tips again, and then also a thank you card. So they care about the presentation. As you saw the box, now this postcard, this hair is going to be fire. I already know it. So they also give you nude wig caps. And then the last thing in this box are some eyelashes. So those are all the goodies that came in the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at this hair. Okay, let's get started. So the first topic is initial shedding. So I'm going to comb my fingers through the hair. This wig does not shed at all, so kudos to that. Next topic is true to length. So I have a strand from the middle point of the wig, and this strand actually stops at 15 inches long. So majority of the hair stops at 14, and the ends extend all the way to 15 inches long. So majority of the hair stops at 14. And then the hair ends, you can see through them, but they do go past 14 inches. If you were to straighten this hair, I'm sure it would probably extend all the way to about 17 inches. Either way, this wig is true to length. So the next topic is smell. And this hair smells like brand new hair. It does not smell bad at all, so kudos to that. The hair is nice, full, and thick. It's 150 density, so it has nice volume. And as far as texture, this wig is so soft. I've never felt a wig so soft from Amazon. Kid you not. It feels so nice, like very soft, nice and easy to comb my fingers through. There are no tangles in this hair. It's like straight butter. Nice, soft, thick, and smooth. And the hair pattern is body wave. And the hair ends look good. They are not split, they are not dry. This wig is absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and talk about the lace frontal. So this is the hairline. As you can see, it is pre-plucked. They pre-plucked this wig for you, and they provided you baby hair. That's what's up. So as you can see, the baby hair is only for the center of the wig. There is no baby hair on the sides of the wig. The lace is fairly transparent. It should blend nicely with my complexion. I really do like how this company customized this hairline. The lace does feel kind of rough, so I would definitely wear a wig cap with this lace. So let's talk about the structure of the wig. So this is the lace. And look how deep that part is. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. So let's go ahead and measure the parting space. This wig is 6 inches deep. So I will say in the area that's between the 5 and 6 inch mark, that is the area where the hairline is and the baby hair. And the hair does decrease. The hair thickness on the lace decreases in that area, which is expected because again, that is where the baby hair and the hairline that they created for you is. So this wig is 6 inches deep, and then the center portion of the lace is 6 inches across, and the lace area by the ears is 2 inches thick. It does become less thick at the 1.5 inch mark to 2 inches because that is where the pre-plucked hairline is. So that goes for the left and right sides. Then finally, from ear to ear, this space is 12 inches, not 13 inches across. So other than that, looking at the front of the wig, you can see that they do give you a wig clip on both sides. So you have a wig clip for the left side and the right side. So that's it for this wig. There is not a middle wig clip right here. Just these two, but if we flip to the back, they do give you a back wig clip with the drawstrings and the hook. So right now the drawstrings are already hooked to the loops. So that's what's up, that they do give you a good amount of wig security, because that is important, okay? But other than that, the wig structure is like your typical wig cap. It does appear breathable and it does seem spacious as well, but we will definitely confirm the size to see if this wig is big head friendly when we try it on. So let's go ahead and try on this wig. Okay guys, so I have the wig on and I am in love. Like, this wig is absolutely perfect. It's soft, it's big head friendly, it doesn't shed, it doesn't stink, it doesn't tangle. Like, this wig is perfect. It's nice and thick. Like, you see this right here? This is my wig cap. I could actually see the wig cap through my lace. This wig is very transparent. I might be able to get away with it and not have to bleach and tint it. So that's what's up. I'm completely shocked how perfect this wig is. I can't find anything wrong with this wig at all. So overall, I rate this wig a 10 out of 10. It's perfect. This wig is absolutely beautiful. Definitely this wig is a part of the top 5 wigs that I've bought this year, hands down. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this wig, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. And don't forget to be subscribed to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. Okay, my friends, I will see you in the next video. Bye.